to my channel, and today I'm bringing my mom back for another video. So last time I did a really simple makeup look on her and you guys loved it. So we're bringing her back and we're gonna glam her up. I hope you guys enjoy the video, so let's get on with it. So I'm just quickly going through the base makeup because it's pretty self-explanatory, and I'll be back with you once we're doing eyeshadow. I've already put some primer on her eyelids. I'm using this center color as a base, and I'm going to put that all over her eyelid. Now I'm going to take this medium orange color and I'm going to put it on her outer corners and into her crease, pushing it upwards towards her brow bone. And now I'm going to take this dark orange color and push that into her crease and slightly into her outer corners. And then I'm taking this dark brown color and slightly emphasizing her crease to give her a more defined look. I'm going to cut her crease to around the halfway point of her eyelid. Then I'm going to use this golden glitter and press that onto where I cut her crease and pulling it outwards for a blended look. Now I'm going to use the same golden glitter for her inner corners and her bottom lash line. Also the medium orange that we used earlier for her outer corners of her bottom lash line. Now I'm going to use a black eyeliner to line her waterline, and then I'm going to do a small wing on her because she prefers a more natural wing. After this, I'm going to curl her lashes, which it actually took me a while to convince her to let me curl them because she's terrified of the eyelash curlers. So after curling her lashes, I'm going to move on to doing her mascara, which was another hard task. And now I'm putting on some liquid blush. She really liked this blush last time I used it, so I'm using it again. And I'm using a lot of it because that's how she likes it. I'm going to line her lips, and it was a little hard for me because she prefers an overlined top lip. I'm not used to that. Now I'm using this ink velvet color, and this is one of my favorite lip colors. I've mentioned this highlighter in one of my other videos. I really like it, and I would recommend anyone with a similar skin tone to mine or my mother's to use it. I'll be taking some photos of her after I'm done with this video, so I'm applying some setting spray on her face so the makeup lasts a while. And she wanted to do the cringy like TikTok transition thing, and here it is. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And stay safe, stay clean, stay happy. Bye!